Okay, this is a sheet of nationalities. Now, pays means country. Then, see, I already told you that in French, everything has masculine and feminine. So here also in nationalities, we have masculine, masculine plural, then feminine and feminine plural. You don't have to learn all four things. You only have to see masculine singular. Masculine plural will be formed on its own, feminine singular will be formed on its own, and feminine plural will be formed on its own. Now, how to do it? See, first of all, in this it is written with capital letters, but nationalities are always written with small letters when you are filling the form, especially then. Okay, now here, see, there are two criterias in it. One, okay, first I'll tell you this. See, whatever masculine singular you have to learn this masculine singular one. Masculine plural, you are just adding a S. Whatever masculine singular you are having, you will just add a S, so you will have masculine plural. In masculine singular, if you will add a E, you will get feminine singular. And in feminine singular, when you will add S, so you will get the feminine plural. So you just have to learn masculine singular in this. Now there are two categories in this. If your masculine singular is ending in IEN, so in feminine singular, it will change to IENNE. Rest all, it is just an E in the end for masculine to feminine. Got this first point? Got this first point, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Second point, if already, like the third one, see, if already E is there at the end, in the feminine, you won't add an extra E. It is same. Third point, if already an S is there, in the plural, you won't add an extra S. Coming to the pronunciation. Pronunciation of masculine singular and masculine plural is same. Feminine singular and feminine plural is same. So I will pronounce the country and the masculine feminine. And I'll also tell you the country name. Land, Andia, Andean. India, Indian. Okay. La France, Français, Française. La Belgique, Belge, Belge. L'Allemagne, Allemand, Allemande. La Suisse, Suisse, Suisse. L'Angleterre, Anglais, Anglaise. L'Italie, It- Italien, Italien. L'Espagne, Espagnol, Espagnol. Le Danemark, Danois, Danoise. La Suède, Suédois, Suédoise. Les États-Unis, America, American. Le Canada, Canadien, Canadien. Le Mexique, Mexicain, Mexican. La Russe, Russe, Russe. La Chine, Chinois, Chinoise. Le Japon, Japonais, Japonaise. L'Arabie Saoudite, Saoudien, Saudienne. L'Australie, Australien, Australienne. Le Kuwait, Kuwaitien, Kuwaitienne. L'Iran, Iranien, Iranienne. Le Jordanie, Jordanien, Jordanienne. Les Émirats Arabes Unis, Émiriens, Émirienne. Okay, is there any country that you didn't understand? What country is it? Anyone? Any country?
No, ma'am.
You understood all the countries? Simran, any country that you didn't understand, you can write in the chat. Like what it is in English, you didn't understand. What country?
Ma'am, can you once again pronounce the one after the Denmark?
Then, okay. La Suède. Suédois.
Okay.
Suédoise. I'll do your presentable over here only. We have space. You can make a note of this. Okay, presentable. Presentable means introduce yourself. So first of all, you need to give salutation means greetings. You'll say your name. Je m'appelle. You will write your name. Okay. Same way you will write your name. I'll write my name. You'll write your name. Okay. Here you will write your age. Which city do you live in? Lakshita and Simran, which city?
Ma'am, Delhi.
Simran, you also Delhi? Okay, since you both are feminine only, so I'm the N. Uh, you can add, okay, no need to add it. Okay, this is your simple presentable. See, presentable doesn't have an end. You can keep adding a line after line as you study French further. Okay, this is just a short introduction, whatever you have studied up till now. Like je m'appelle, you write your name. Je, what your age is there? J'habite à Delhi. Je suis indienne. Je parle anglais et hindi. J'apprends le français. What's the meaning of j'apprends le français? Can you tell me? We have done this verb apprendre.
Well, I can't remember, but I think learning.
Yeah, I am learning French. Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Simran, you also? Okay. There's one more part in lesson 0 that I'll not do today, otherwise it will be too much. Okay, this is your workbook. See, workbook properly I'll not do with you. As soon as I complete one lesson, I'll share the workbook. Like I'll tell you to do these pages. It is your duty to do and send it for correction. Like this is your workbook, same name, same level, same lessons also. Three units are there. After each unit, there's a test also. We have done lesson 0. This is lesson 0. See, everywhere there's one more thing. I'll send you the dictionary. I think I have sent you the dictionary or no? Did I send the dictionary to you?
No, ma'am.
Yes, I have sent. See this one. You can download this and exercises. See this one, like third one. You have to associate with the picture. What picture is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then try to do this one. If you are not, then please ask. If you are not able to do it,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Can you share the dictionary again because I was added late to the group?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I've shared it again.
Thank you, ma'am.
So whatever exercises are there, this okay, this I'll do with you. This is over here only. See, this exercise is there. Don't do this one. See, this is there. Fish the Ross and Mo is there. Conjugation is there. This is there. Okay, no, card postal we have not done today. This is there. See, all this is a revision. Conjugation is there. This I'll do with you. Exercise 3. See, there are different uses of all these 4. This is used for cities only. Okay. This is used for feminine country. This one for masculine country. And this one for plural country. Plural countries are not many, like West Indies is there. Okay, then
Ma'am, is United States considered in one?
yes, United States is also a plural country. It's a plural country. Feminine countries are the countries ending in E, leaving 6 of them. And others are masculine country, like see, tu, abit, u. Portugal is a country or a city? You tell me. Portugal is a country or a city?
Well, I think it's a city.
Portugal is a city.
And I'm not so sure. I thought that Portugal, Spain, and all. Okay, Spain is a country, I know.
Portugal is also a
And
country only.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Portugal. Spain is ending in letter E. So O are Lille, Maurice. It is a city. So this way you have to do. Now Paris. Où est la Tour Eiffel? Paris is a city. See, in cities you don't have feminine or masculine. So straight away, wherever city is there, you put a over there. Try to do this. If you're not, then I'll do this with you. But try to do it. Okay. See, in the beginning, you have to work a little hard on this. Once it gets on to your hand, then the French will be very easy. And if you keep on, like bundling it up, then it will be very tough for you. Okay. So I'll see you all on Friday. Today is Wednesday, no? Yeah, I'll see you all on Friday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.